Now, leader of the opposition in the Lok Sabha, Rahul Gandhi, is in Gujarat today and addressing the party workers. Congress MP Rahul Gandhi launched a sharp attack on the BJP. Now, Congress MP Rahul Gandhi's visit comes after the party managed to win its first Lok Sabha seat in the state for the first time in a decade. The leader of opposition in the Lok Sabha will also meet the family members of those who lost their lives in various incidents in Gujarat in the recent past, including the Rajkot Game Zone fire, the boat capsize incident in Vadodara and Morbi bridge collapse. Meanwhile, Union Home Minister Amit Shah is also in Gujarat and inaugurating several development projects for the state. He also launched a scheme under which 50% subsidy will be offered on nano fertilizers. Now, Amit Shah attended the conference that was held Sakhar Se Samriddhi Tak in Gujarat in Gandhinagar. Now, Rahul Gandhi had in fact before coming to Gujarat had dared the BJP to defeat them during his maiden speech as leader of opposition. We also have that reaction and as well as what Rahul Gandhi said while addressing the party workers. Listen in.
गुजरात के चुनाव में मैं आपको बता रहा हूं, हम सब मिलकर इनको गुजरात में हराने जा रहे हैं। जो हमने कहा, और लिख के ले लो, कांग्रेस पार्टी कि जो आत्मा है वो गुजरात के चुनाव में लड़ेगी और नरेंद्र मोदी और बीजेपी को गुजरात में जैसे हमने अयोध्या में हराया है वैसे ही हम गुजरात में इनको हराने जा रहे हैं।
That's right. I think it's a challenge. It's a political challenge. It's a talk that, as we saw the BJP say, 400 par. It's in the same context that Rahul Gandhi is talking about wresting control of the BJP from the BJP in Gujarat. It's a long way. It's a long road ahead. The Congress hasn't really been performing very well in Gujarat, except in this election. They've been able to wrest one seat, that too through crowdfunding. The candidate was able to raise funds and win that election. It's been, ups and downs for the Congress party. 2017, they did exceptionally well, but ever since then, they haven't been able to perform. And a clear indicator was the 2022 Gujarat polls. So we have seen the Congress not really doing well. It's in the same breath that Amit Shah is also in the state as the Minister for Cooperatives and launching programs and various other, activities. As you have seen, the BJP has been able in 2014 as well as in 2019 and in 2024 get nearly 100% except in 2024 where they got 25 out of 26. So it's a long road ahead. It's a big challenge. But today Rahul Gandhi meeting the victims of the Rajkot fire incident to see what steps the administration has taken, whether they've got relief and rehabilitation and whether the culprits are being brought to book. And apart from that, of course, the various activities that are taking place in terms of political attacks against their party workers and try to revive them and reunite and reignite them to take on that big political challenge that he has said on the floor of the House.